Hey friends, this is Alan Lee with Fidelity National Home Warranty, and today we're going to be talking about gutter cleaning and the importance of doing it around your home. So one of the important things about your gutters is they definitely need to be clean, because if they get full like this one is, where it's clogged just with the gutter guards, water can actually collect here and cause a lot of roof damage. If you don't have gutter guards and your gutters get clogged with leaves, what can happen is during a storm, the water's not diverted to the downspouts like it's supposed to, and the water will actually fill up and overflow towards the front of the gutter. And what can actually happen is it can overflow the back of the gutter as well and rot out some of your rafter tails and things like that. So it's definitely very important to make sure that you get your gutters inspected and clean them out at least twice a year. We recommend once in the spring, once in the fall, definitely before a storm. But just that's some quick information about cleaning your gutters and making sure that they are running properly. Okay, so if you're looking to clean your gutters and you don't have gutter guards, obviously it's super easy. You just scoop that stuff out, put it in a 5-gallon bucket, and then you're going to make sure your downspouts are cleared. If you do have gutter guards like this, you're definitely going to need to do a little bit more to remove those. These are actually fairly easy. They're just a clip-in style. So you just push them towards the roof, and then you unclip them like that and pull them right out. And then you can go ahead and scoop out your debris and stuff like that. Some gutter guards are actually screwed in place. They're put up under the shingles and then screwed in here. But this is probably the most common style that you'll run at if you have gutter guards.